Hey guys, it's Jana and welcome to another installment of Stay Inspired. So today we're actually you're gonna be coming behind the scenes when we do a product shoot. So we are gonna be using lots of props, lots of like backdrops, and I'm just excited for you guys to see it and get some tips. So let's go. For the photo. Let's see here. And use whichever side you want. That was super cool and super fun, and I can't wait to show these photos. I hope you guys got some tips from that and can start playing and doing some stuff at home that you can just like create and make stuff from the tips that we share with you. And don't forget to follow the blog or check out the blog janafromalabama.com. My Instagram is Jana Williams Photos. Snapchat is Jana Photo. What is my Snapchat? It's my Snapchat. Jana W Photo. And then my Facebook is Jana Williams Photography. So thanks again, you guys, so much, and as always, stay inspired. Bye!